Today in our vlog, in that white little plane that flew in. Look at that cool little decal in that Pilates. Oh yeah. Sick. So this is Millionaire at Austin Bergstrom International Airport. One day, I'll have that plane. I'm gonna go meet up with Victor and go have fun. So after doing a walk around Victor's crib, it's something. Day 3, day 2 of Austin. We went to the gym and then we came around. So productive, bro.
The streets are ours this evening. Going undefeated. I roll the dice against a staircase.
You know she got daddy issues, bro.
Alright, yo, we at Walmart. No trip is complete without a Walmart stop. You agree?
I gotta get my Subway because you know your boy on a diet. You know?
Right. Yeah, man. Alright, welcome back to Nightingale. Today is almost over. Man, we ran a lot. We ran around a lot. Like a lot. We moved. I helped him move into his new place. It was crazy. A lot of laughs today. We're gonna go see a movie theater, come back, probably just crash straight away. But overall, this trip it's been really cool to see Victor and just get away from Houston for a bit. But yeah, I enjoyed it, man. Thank you all for watching. If you made it this far, you're special. Thanks for giving me a chance. And I'll see you next time. You know, subscribe, like, share if you like the video, the content, and I'll see you in the skies.